For companies that are just starting out with the DOT compliance applications as a reseller, setting the application up for use with your motor carrier clients could not be any easier. Although there is a lot of functionality included in the DOT compliance application suite, the only thing a reseller actually has to do is to import or add their client base. To do this, once logged into the system, the reseller simply has to go to click the Admin Tools menu item from the menu on left-hand side of the screen. From the Admin Tools screen, click the Client Maintenance button located under the Client and User Support section of the screen. Once the Client Maintenance form has been displayed, there are two options for getting clients into the system. The first way is to manually add all clients. For instructions on manually adding clients to the system, see the video on importing clients, or view the user manual under the Reseller Admin Tools section. This video is more about quickly setting up the system by importing the client list from the ELD the reseller is using. To accomplish this, click the Import Client List button on the bottom of the form shown here. Click Yes on the first dialog box to proceed with the import feature. The next dialog box lets the user know how many client accounts will be imported. To start the import process, click the Yes button. The system will now cycle through the client base, importing all of the clients that do not already exist in the system. Please note that running the import feature more than once will not duplicate any client entries. However, you might want to run this feature if you add more clients to the ELD application, or if anything in your client list changes on the ELD side of things. Once finished, the system will have done a few things. First, the system will obviously import all clients from the ELD system. Second, the system will create a location entry in the location table. This is important for clients with more than a single location, as the system is location specific and permissions can be given so users of the system can access information at a single location or be given more global access to all locations. Lastly, the system will also automatically create login credentials for each client that is created in the system. When providing clients with access to the system, you will provide them with the installation URL, along with the client ID that has been created for each client, as you can see in the first field of the data grid, as well as a username and password. The username and password will always be admin and admin by default. The client should be told to change the admin password when they first log into the system for security because, as mentioned before, all admin users are given the same credentials when their accounts are created. Of course, the motor carriers can also create an unlimited number of internal users. Please see the other help sections for instructions on changing passwords and creating new administrative users.